Oh, since you are a real Miko, do you have any shrine recommend to visit for Osaka and Kyoto? Ooh, well, it's already been a while. Maybe you've already gone? Kyoto has that one big famous one, right? On like a mountain or so. And also, I recommend Arashiyama. But in Osaka, maybe Osaka Tenmangu. Big one. Yeah, Kiyomizu, that was the name. Oh yeah, and Fushimi Inari Taisha. Fushimi Inari Shrine. I went to that one before. It's a lot of walking, but it's so cool. It's a nice, like, kind of hiking trip. Yeah, and many shrines. There's so many cool ones. There's one I went to a long time ago. I think it's in Shizuoka. It's quite a ride from Tokyo, though. I think it's with a train pretty easily reachable, maybe. I forgot what the shrine was called, but it has this one totally Instagrammable, really cool Torii gate, you know, the red gates, on a path that like blends into the ocean. I think it's an ocean, not a lake. There's more than one gate like that, I think, in Japan. That's called Itsukushima Shrine? Eh? Let me see. Itsukushima. Oh! Ah! Well, that's not the one I meant. But that one's even sicker. Because the one I remember was really tiny. Like small, like normal size. This one's huge. But this one's so worth to check out. I didn't go to this one before. Is that in Shizuoka? Oh yeah, it might be. Skena Itsukushima Jinja. Wait, there's so many on Google Maps. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Itsukushima shrines. なんかめっちゃあるんですけど、なんかいっぱいあんの? Guess they just share names. Must be a franchise. It's like a chain shrine. What? そう、海の中にあるやつの方が有名だけど、それはどこなの？広島？あ、宮島か？ Oh, it is in Hiroshima. That's so far! That's definitely not the one I went to. Oh, that one's... Wow. I've never been to Hiroshima, but Hiroshima is also worth checking out. So when you go to that shrine, you can check out Hiroshima too while you're at it. 同じ名前の神社がたくさんあるらしいですね。混乱するんだけど。その辺、穴子はうまい？牡蠣がうまい？ Oh, there is some special foods there. Like oysters? I think kaki is oyster. And anago. I think anago is an eel too. Like unagi? Anago unagi?